Hi, welcome to Four Wheels Marvels. At the core of our heart, some of us are motorcycle mads. In my case, I love cruiser and tourer motorcycles than a sports bike. How about you? Are you a motorcycle enthusiast? If so, you prefer cruiser or sports bike? I am really curious to know. Look at this motorcycle. This is the BMW R18. This has the highest cubicle capacity the BMW have ever built in a motorcycle. This classic design will never get old. The 1802cc two-cylinder boxer engine of R18 gives a torque of 116 foot-pound of torque at 3000 rpm, that is 157 Nm of torque. It produces 91 horsepower. The maximum speed is 180 km per hour. In India, the ex-showroom price is 19,90,000 rupees. In UAE, the price is starting at 85,000 dirhams. In the US, the price starts at $15,000. The first BMW motorcycle was showcased in German Motor Show in 1923. So this is the 100-year anniversary for BMW motorcycles. Marking this, the R18 has a 100-year edition BMW R18 100 years. Only 1923 R18s will be made in this edition. Each one will have a metal badge mentioning one of 1923. Please subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.